এটাকে বর্তমান forget this one. Lambda equal to lambda by 2 pi, sorry, delta equal to lambda by 2 pi, 2n pi, pi get cancelled, and here pi get cancelled, only left lambda equal to n pi. So whenever you will have a path difference of n lambda here, this is x1, this full is x2 minus x1 will be n lambda. Be sure you will get light fringes. This is maximum. Intensity will be maximum in this case. So when intensity will be minimum, when this will be 0, simple. Sorry, this will be minus. This will be minus means minus 1. Minus 1 here cancel here. This term will be 0. So cos delta will be minus 1. Then only we will get our minimum intensity. So when it will be minus, simply you can get, as you are getting 1 here, minus 1, here you will get minus 1. And what is this point? This is nothing but your pi. Completing here. Sorry, it's completing here. This is your pi. So pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, like this. This is odd number, odd function. So 2n plus 1 into pi. So same thing. These things you used here, and this thing you will also use here. Lambda by 2 pi into delta. So instead of delta, put lambda 2n plus 1 into pi. So your pi get cancelled, only left 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. देखो पिलांग मिलियो एक्चुअल. This is for maxima case, this is for minima case. बर्तमान तुमको जने आसीबो कहिबो एटा गोटे मोर स्क्रीन देली, बर्तमान टॉर्च रे माइली एटी एटा गोटे स्क्रीन देली, आ गोटे स्क्रीन तो एट जो वेव गला एई पॉइंट रे मते कोन मिलिबो, को लाइट मिलिबो भाई, एटा मेजर कर दियो, एटा मेजर कर दियो, एटा मेजर कर देला परे सपोज x1 x2 डिफरेंस टा काट दियो. x2 minus x1 केते आसुची, दैट इज योर पाथ डिफरेंस. जदी एटा n लैम्बडा आसुची, you will get condition for maxima, means you will get light fringes. जदी एटा तमरो आसुची 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 ए पाथ डिफरेंस देखो एति की सेम रहिला, एक्स्ट्रा हला इतको जोडा कि x2 रो. So you will have dark fringes, this one, then light, then dark, like this you will get your bright and dark fringes. Now I wrote a simple systematic way to mention your maximum, maxima and minima fringes. See, your intensity is varying according to your phase difference. You have phase 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. When you have phase 0, that means you are getting a maxima, 4k square. So this is your maxima. When you have pi, you have minima in the plus pi and in also case of the minus pi. 2 pi case रे कौन मिलुजे हमको, again maxima. 3 pi case रे कौन मिलुजे, plus minus से minima, again maxima in the next case. So हम जदि fringes बर्तमान देखिबा, बर्तमान light मिलिला हमको, एट light मिलिबोनी up to this. So this one will be dark, minimum, maximum, minimum, like it will get the fringes. So suppose this my P point was here, suppose. So here हम पचारि जने कौन मिलिबो हमको. See, I can answer now. This region is coming under this light region, means maxima region. Like this we are getting our pattern due to Young's double slit experiment. Always remember this structure. S, S1, S2, light is going. See here, you are getting superposition between these lights. These things remaining as usual. This position you are getting superposition. Maxima, minima, maxima, minima, like this. At the P region, something you are getting. That may be either maxima, that may be either minima. Thank you. This is regarding your interference in the case of Young's double slit experiment. In the next class, we will calculate the width. What is the width of this one? See, this is something dark. This is light. This is another dark. So this will have same width actually. In the last class, in the next session, you will see this is having same width. So how much this one? How much this one? This one we will calculate in the next class. Thank you.